Hey lovely people, I hope you all are doing well. Today in this video, I'm going to be showing you all how I make a super easy deep conditioner for the hair. First, I will start off by using honey. Honey contains many nutrients for the hair that helps to soften the hair and to add shine. And it also contains vitamins and nutrients such as antioxidants and amino acids. I will also be using olive oil, which helps to repair damaged hair and smooths hair follicles, and it also is smoothing to the scalp and has antifungal properties. So if you have dandruff, olive oil can help with that. And then I'm going to be using the conditioner of my choice. I'm using the Aussie Miracle Moist Conditioner. Like I said, you can use any conditioner of your choice, whatever your hair likes, just to use it for this deep conditioner. There's no right or wrong way to make this. So first, I'm going to be inserting a lot of conditioner into the bowl. I am not going to be giving any exact measurements. I'm just kind of eyeballing it and just trying to measure it out of how much I think would be enough for my hair. As y'all know, my hair is pretty thick, so I just use a substantial amount of the conditioner. I will also be applying some honey to the mixture as well and some olive oil. I used about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Like I said, I did not measure it precisely, but I did use about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and I didn't want to put too much because I didn't want the oil to overbear the conditioner. And then I went ahead and also applied about 2 tablespoons of the honey. And of course, y'all already know honey can be very sticky, so I didn't want to apply too much. So about 2 tablespoons of honey as well. So that's pretty much it for the making of this conditioner. At this point, I'm just gonna mix it together until it's blended pretty well. And if you want to add any powders or any other oils to your hair mixture, be sure to do that. Just customize it to the way that you like it. But when I put this on my hair, as you all will see, I had very great results. But if you would like to add anything else, any other essential oils to your deep conditioner, you know, just personalize it for your hair and your hair care routine. So you all, of course, I am starting off on freshly washed hair, and I had my hair in these 4 sections because y'all know I always work in sections. So first I just unraveled that first twist, and I'm applying the conditioner to my hair. And I just smooth it all the way in until like all of my strands are coated. I try to put enough to where no spots are like still dry or dull or anything like that. And I work it in my hair, I work it in the ends and just smooth it all the way through until I think that I have enough. Once I finish applying the product, I go ahead and take my wide tooth comb, and of course I start from the ends and work my way on up. And I don't know if y'all can tell by this clip here, I have another clip that I'm going to show y'all, but y'all, like, my hair just felt so soft. My curls were like separating, and like it just felt like butter. Like I'd never seen my curls really pop and separate the way that they did with this conditioner mixture. And detangling was easy. It was a breeze. So yeah, I noticed a big difference, and I would definitely be incorporating this deep conditioner recipe into my regimen. As you all can see here, like I was just so thrilled and surprised by like how smoothly the comb was running through my hair. And y'all, just applying the product itself, it just felt like butter on my hair. And just a friendly reminder, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can see more uploads from me regarding my natural hair journey, and more content. So you all, once I finish that half section of the twist, I'm going to do the other half. And I was having a bit of complications here, y'all, trying to my claw clips and the towel, and it was just too much going on. But I'm going to go ahead and just repeat the process for that next section. I'm just showing you all the back section of my hair because my hair in the back is 4C. It's very coily in the back, and I have different hair textures and curl patterns in my hair. So the very back, like I said, is 4C and coily. And so I just wanted to show you all how my hair in the back responded to the conditioner. And then I'll also later on in this video show you all a section of me applying the conditioner to my hair from the front, because the front of my hair is actually more of a 4B type hair type, and it is more frizzy and the curl pattern is more so zigzag. So I just wanted to show you just basically for different perspectives of how this conditioner worked with my many different hair textures. So once my hair is pretty much saturated with the conditioner and detangled thoroughly, I'm going to go ahead and twist that section up, and then I'm going to repeat the process, y'all. Repeat it for my entire head. Okay, I just had to show y'all, like, do y'all see how the curls are bobbing? Like, I know y'all see that. My hair has never really, popped like this. Like, this conditioner is a 10. All right, y'all, so now we've reached the front of my hair, and this is the section of my hair that is, or just an example of a 4B texture. Like I said, the curl is more so elongated, zigzag, and more so frizzy. So as y'all can see, this is my last section, and I was so relieved. But I was also watching some Judge Mathis for some entertainment.
and she drinks with her.
I know I cannot be the only one that watches a good show or a good drama series on TV or something when they do their hair. Comment down below what y'all be watching when y'all do your hair, because I know I'm not the only one. So we are almost to the finish line. So I'm just applying the mixture to my hair. Again, just making sure that it is coated and saturated into my hair strands. No strand left behind. And so I just really take my time with this process and just making sure that I'm using more than enough for my hair. Also, you all, I don't know if y'all know this, but my hair is high porosity, which means that it absorbs product fairly quickly.
I submitted a video to your court. Let them play the video, and you be the judge of it. We haven't even talked about the case. You more upset about her being drunk than you are about the case. You haven't gotten what you're suing for, but okay. Let's see the page.
Y'all, when it came to detangling my hair with this mixture, it did my hair a great service, y'all. Like, the comb is just going through my hair as if it's nothing. It's just going through my hair so easily. Of course, I had my knots and tangles here and there that I had to work through. But once I did, y'all, the comb just glided through my hair. Little. So in about 2.5 hours later, I am finally done and just showing you all the shed hair I received. This is about after 3 weeks of me not detangling my hair at all. So I think that's pretty good. And I'm just showing you the end results of my hair, y'all. It was so light and fluffy. This is my hair without any product on it. And I hope you all enjoyed this video, you all. And please try this conditioner out and tell me how you like it. Bye.